Hello. We're back with more development on Godot. So my teammates have actually committed in some stuff, not in time for the prototype submission a couple of days back, but that's fine. Just want to take a look and see what we have now. So it seems like, oh, we actually have music. Okay. And the coral also looks different. It has the graphics now. There, the diver is actually, you know, a diver. That's great. Okay. Gonna just chase those fish away. Okay, let's get more corals called in. Chase. Okie dokie. And seems like it works. Yeah, everything seems to be working fine. We actually even have animation. I was expecting that. That's good. Yeah, I really do not have to deal with... Wow, that's a lot of animations. A lot of frames, holy moly. I was definitely not expecting that many frames. But that's cool. Okay, we have background music playing, which is amazing. Okay. First and foremost, I think one of the main things I do want to start working on is that corals can have their own HP bar. But at the same time, I also need to consider, like, as they grow, they have more HP. So how do I want to deal with that? I think I need a couple of variables for this. Variable level, or rather stage, growth stage, which should be an integer. Using the walrus that oh, okay. Does it not work that way? Why does the walrus not work? Where did I use the walrus back then? Array. So unless I put something like 0? Okay, I think that works. I'm gonna define all this first. I'm also gonna get a function. Hold up, forgot the semicolon. Growth stage multiplied by base HP. Yep. So now that at least there's some semblance of HP here, on body entered, if the body group is fish, you know, one thing I want to consider is actually to change fish into a 2D object rather than the rigid body 2D, area 2D basically. Not sure if it's gonna work though. Because if I can do that, then this function kinda, I'll shift it over to the fish. Should I do that? Forgot to shift this down. Duplicate fish 2. Right, so between fish and fish 2, I need a fish 2 script as well. Detach this script, call it fish 2, new script, fish 2. Okay, hold up. Never mind. Change type to area 2D. So some of the main things that it needs is that it needs these variables, right? Which also I should call it in. On being on the screen, it needs to have a position equals to how do I do this? I should reference the player. Position increases by the velocity times delta. Velocity times delta. And what is the velocity? Velocity is determined by speed times... Velocity is the direction, so it's just direction times the speed. If that's the case, then I actually... Yes, it does need a direction. Oh, okay, direction is... Oh, someone edited my code. Direction goes true, direction goes false. Right, that's the way it faces. Okay, I understand. Up and down has no direction to it, so that's fine. What should happen? Velocity gives it its directionality, so for the moment, let's just give it a velocity dot x equals to 1. Velocity equals to t equals to velocity times speed. Okay. And can I just... no, I don't want to touch these, but what's gonna happen now is that I'm going to get I'm going to change the fish scene to fish 2. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. It might just break entirely. Yep, it breaks. Oh no. Okay. Let me also just disable this. Main thing is I want to make sure that the fish can just spawn as it is. Not say spawn as it is, but you know, just have the fish here and it can just move, right? Oh gosh. Invalid set index x on base nil with filter type int. Interesting, I can't velocity. Maybe I need to normalize it. Is that the way to normalize it? Normalized with ed and then brackets. Let's try that again. Nope. Invalid get index x on base nil. Right, it doesn't know what velocity is. Velocity equals to vector 2 0. Yep. Okay, so this works. I can keep it as a... I can actually keep it as an area 2D. Do I really want to do that though? Do I really want to refactor all of these? Oh my gosh. You know what? It's proof that it can be done. At least I know what it needs to get done, I guess. Not entirely sure. Where's all the fish stuff, by the way? The targeting and all that. Is that under the main? Yeah, it's over here. But it might just be able to work if I just need to set this. I just need to be able to set what the velocity is before it actually spawns in. So let me just remove this from this scene. Let me uncomment all of, uncomment all of these. We're still using fish 2 over here. So after I set the velocity, I don't need this because the vector has been set. The velocity has been set. And it will just move off. Okay, seems like it's working a little bit. Okay, so the thing is, the music is a little bit loud actually. Let me just tune it down a little bit. Dang. Right, I don't think I can use the velocity in this way because it only manages one. Oh wait, hold on. I can't use this. Let's try that again. Yep. There's a fish, alright, but it's just going off somewhere, increasing only in the X position. So that's because of this. So we've got the fish target, which is this position. No, this is the variable. It needs to fish target equals to find target object array. Look at fish target. Find target gives a vector 2 position. So this is a vector 2. So fish velocity can actually be equals to fish target. Is it right for me to say that? Yeah, I just have to normalize it. And then once it multiplied by fish speed. Do I have fish speed here? No, I do not. So if I remove this line, oops, and I bring it over to main GD here, which is multiplied by fish dot speed, which it should be able to get. So that feeds it information of what fish dot the velocity is. So it's just position velocity times delta. Is that the way to go? Okay, that's a fish. It's they have spawned. Both X and Y are changing. Wait, I remember we had this issue, and the reason why I cannot use the aerial 2D was because it will just keep moving bottom left. Because every vector is always no, does it work that way? Can it possibly take a positive vector or negative vector? It can have a negative vector. position, angle, rotation, direction, angle, fish target. It doesn't know the red. Oh, I get it. Maybe I need to use fish diff. Because the difference is the actual vector between them. Is that right? Oh, that's right. That is right. Yes. Okay, I think I've solved it. The main thing is I need to use the diff. That's the main issue. Oh my gosh, it was all about the math. So I don't have to use the... Oh, okay. I don't have to use the linear velocity. So fish 2 can actually work. Gosh, I'm so happy. So now I can actually put this in over here. Like this. If distance is then escaping goes false. So I don't need linear velocity. But what happens now is... let's see. Escape global position direction to self global position. Velocity equals to escape direction times speed. Okay. Actually, I'm not sure if this is the correct one. I should probably use a minus instead. But you know what? Let's just try this first. Yeah, let's just see what happens with this. Oops. Invalid operands. Int. Right. Sorry, I don't think I defined distance properly. Yes, this. Missed out one line. I think I need to put this on ready. No, I need this on delta. Yeah. That's right. This should work better now, at least I hope. Okay, it moves away, that's good. Okay, so at least it moves away. So the rotation is something I can figure out in a while. But for now, the speed remains the same, but let me times 2 the speed. So the direction seems natural, which is fine. So in fact, the escape direction can actually be the escape angle, can it not? I probably don't need this. Okay, let's just comment this out first. The rotation equals to escape direction. Let's see, because the vector itself should... Wait. That's a vector, I need angles though. It should crash, yeah, it should crash. Because this is a vector, but I need to rotate. Huh. So this gives me a vector based on 2 positions already, right? Whereas getting this 2 positions, direction 2. Okay, let's check out the direction 2. Returns a normalized vector. This is equivalent to using b minus a normalized. A looking at b. A looking at b, right? So A looking at b, that's the direction I need it to go, so it should be b minus a. You know what? Let me just take a quick toilet break, be right back. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. Okay. This escape direction and direction is actually the same. I get the same vector thing. It's more about what is this A tangent doing? I don't remember. Is there another A10 around? Close, 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 close. Radians out of a tangent x in radians. Use it to get the angle from an angle's tangent in trigonometry. Right, cannot tell which quadrant, so use A tangent 2 if I have x and y. Use to get the angle of the tangent xy. To complete the variable, take account of sine of both arguments are not determined the quadrant, yes. Y comes first by convention. (3.14159). That's basically a full circle, 360 degrees, if it's y on 0 and x is -1. Okay, that makes sense. Just to be doubly sure, when they say x is -1, it's in this direction, so x is like here. Ooh, some of these musics aren't that great. But it's okay, it's okay. Maybe I should change the playlist. But this is the only one with like anime songs though. You know what, let's try this. I think some of these are Animal Crossing songs as well, so who knows? Might be nice. Moving on. Y coordinate comes first. Can I actually use no, I don't need this. Use this. Okay, I need the escape angle. And let's do away with this first. Not sure how this would turn out. Oh, it works! Oh my goodness. Okay. So yeah, I don't have to determine a new set, I can just use what's existing. Okay, let's not delete that, but anyways. I don't even need the rotation was unnecessary. Actually, do I want rotation? Because at the end of the day, if we're gonna use sprites that are, you know, that have... Yeah, we just need to flip their XY direction, I think. I mean their X direction. Because they won't be using a rotation basis. Because the fish are going to be like the diver, right? So the rotation doesn't have to be the direction angle. In fact, no, they don't even need rotation. Let's just see how this works. Yeah. Wait a minute, they're still rotated. What am I talking about? They're obviously still rotated. Oh, because I set that to look at? No, hold on. This is just position, target, look at. No, I can turn off the look at as well. Then they'll just swim in the general direction without... Yeah. Cause it's definitely more natural that way. Or is it? I mean, fish can surely swim in a 3D space. It's water, right? It's a medium, so they can rotate accordingly. I don't even need a direction angle because the fish look at is already there. Yeah, why do I even have this? Now the only thing is knowing that if the rotation is past a certain degree, I want it to flip rather than... Yeah. So I don't need this as well. Wait, okay, I do need this. I do need the vector. Or can I actually use fish target? Would that work? Not quite, huh? Yeah, I think I need the diff, because this sets an angle. Fish target, fish position. It creates a vector based on the... Yeah, it creates a vector based on the positions. Correct. Yes, so I still need it. Yes, okay. But what I can do is... if fish dot rotation is greater than if it's greater than 180, how does the rotation look like again? So this is 0, and at 90 it's downwards. So if it's more than 90, I want it to flip. Yeah. Hopefully that's something that's easy to achieve. If rotation is greater than pi divided by 2, how do I flip? Is there such a command? Crap. I think I can take a look at the sprite 2D. Flip, yeah, there we go. Flip horizontal? Default state is false, so I gotta set it true. Fish dot streaks, what is it called again? Flip underscore h equals true. So what are the angles I want it to flip on? So let's see, if it's so if it's greater than 90, it flips. If it's 180, what exactly is a horizontal flip? No, I think I need to make it do a vertical flip, not a horizontal flip. But if it's like 270, does it need to flip? No, it doesn't. So if it's greater than 90, but smaller than 270. Right, there we go. Greater than 90, smaller than 270. And it might be a V. Greater than 90 and fish dot rotation smaller than, oh my god, what's 270? Pi plus half pi. Pi times 3 divided by 2. Yes. Okay, let's give this a go. Nope, it's not rotating. I still have another small issue, which is fish stop spawning after a while, which is a bit annoying. Nope, that's definitely not rotating the way I want it to, so... Is it H though? Oh. Wait a minute, it should be... Value of... What do you mean? It's... Huh? So I know that the code is activating at the very least. It's just that it crashes. Okay, let's just comment this out first. Print me fish target and fish dot rotation. Yeah, that's about it. Fish target, fish rotation. I want the fish to spawn more naturally as well, so I don't know, is the fish timer... Yeah, I need to queue free them. I forgot to queue free them over here. I think I need to connect this as well, do I? No, I don't think so. This is fine. So, okay, it looks flipped. Is it queuing free? Doesn't seem like it. Okay, it's not even rotating at all now. Which is actually because, yes, I didn't. My gosh. I think I'm worrying about the small things too much. Definitely the small things which matter very little. Invalid index, flip page on base area 2d.gd. Oh, I get it. I need to I need to okay, I think it's because I need to access the lower tier. I need to get to like the sprite. Right, time to revert back to the tutorial. How did they connect to that sprite? I'm pretty sure there's a flip somewhere. Or was it the player? Yeah, they had to call it specifically. Animated sprite 2d.animation. Sprite 2d. Yeah. Okay, that's right. So where was I? Fish.animated sprite 2d. Maybe this works now? Oh, once again? Oh, this is odd. Oh my goodness. Okay, before that, I think I can't call it like this because it's not an... Can I dollar sign this? No, I can't. I can't flip it directly as well. It's a sprite thing. Or I move this into the fish.gd itself. Flip horizontal. Yeah. If self.rotation. Oh, right, there we go. They're not even turning now at this point. Wait, but I think that looked correct to me. That fish looked correct to me. Okay, okay. That fish looked a little bit odd. The Q3 is not working, so I need to go and check on that again. It's still not working, but okay, let me. How do I link this up? Was this not linked? Why is this not linked? Connect the screen exited signal. Right. This has to be on main, I guess. No, where is it from? Oh, right, it's on the... There we go. Okay, okay, so now they should be exiting as per normal. They aren't even rotating. That is looking fine. That is not looking fine. Why is that not fine? If it's at 180 degrees, I think I know. I've been thinking about it wrongly, have I? Because say this is 270, it's fine. 270 I don't need to flip, but less than 270 it has to flip, right? Because they're always going to rotate to face. So if they're facing something from there, it needs to flip horizontally. If they're facing below, it's fine, but if it's more than 90, it needs to flip. More than 180, it still needs to flip. How about the 270? I don't get it. But I don't have to do this on delta, I can do this on like a check rotation. Doesn't have to go on delta because that's costly. Wait, I'm doing a horizontal flip. It should be a vertical flip. Okay, let's try this. Fish look at. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that was odd. That was very odd. So I think it's the flip horizontal. And I think the flip just flips the sprite regardless of what the original and what it looks like originally. So I think what's happening right now is that horizontal flips are fine. Basically, if it were to look upside down, but I'm flipping the sprite, not flipping the object itself, am I? That's what confuses me. I'm thinking that I'm flipping just the sprite, not the object. Okay. That still looks pretty okay. Now that is odd. So at angles 180. Yeah, between 180 to 270 it's odd. So I think what if I change this to is greater than 90 and less than, yeah, let's wait, how do I do this? Flip it. Is it just this? Okay, okay. Looks normal, looks normal. Nope. Still weird. Wait a minute, that previously was fine. So the range of angle now is between 180 to 270? What? Huh. Zero to... Wait a minute. I think I know why. It's because I'm thinking of it the wrong way? Because this is 0 degrees. When the rotation is 90 degrees, yes, I flip. Or is this 180? How does it measure the rotation? How? How does it measure the rotation? You know what, let's try this. I have a hunch this might work. Nope, absolutely not. Oh boys. Angles that are coming from the left are generally okay. But if they come in from the right, that's where most of the problems come in. Yeah. The lefties are fine. It's only the right that's not that great. You know what? I have a better idea. Instead of checking the rotation, right? If I check that they're coming from the right, if let's see. Velocity dot x is negative. Flip. I think this should work. No, it still doesn't. Wait, hold on. Flipping horizontally is the right thing to do, am I right? Or should I be flipping? No. They're okay. Vertically? Horizontally? Horizontally. The thing is, are they even flipping? Print flipped. Wait, it's not even... I'm not even getting an instance of flip. It's not even detecting, is it? Right, let's try this again. So it's not even about it not working, it's not even activating. Yeah, it's not even activating. Interesting, it's not even detecting. But there should have been a fish rotation that's... Oh, is it because there's negative numbers? Right, do I have to think of it in the negative sense? Regardless. This is the negative x direction. So am I wrong to say that if there is a negative x vector, it should flip? I should check rotation here maybe. Because that's where they actually get the velocity. Nope, still not. Wait, hold on, something said flip there. Yep, so it's actually triggering now. But the H is not actually doing anything, flip H. So I'm gonna try flip V now. Still not working. Why though? Why is it not flipping? I am confused. Flip H. Flip H should be correct. I know this is probably not the best way to do this, but I just want to make extremely sure that I'm doing it right. Oh, I think I did it. Oh, it's actually working now. Oh my gosh, finally. So I do actually have to use this line. Okay, so now I got that working. Escaping goes true, da 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 da. And I can do a check rotation here. Oh, before that, I should set the escape direction. Hold up. I don't think I need this below, but fish look at oh my gosh, I can just use the look at and just reverse it by 180. Yes, that's the way to do it. Self dot look at player dot global position. Okay, and then what do I do next? That gives me the angle, right? So self dot rotation equals to this minus. Wait, no. Wait, hold on. Look at gives a vector. Returns void. Yeah, this thing gives vector. Means you don't need to set rotation. Oh. Hello Titanium, thanks for coming by. Yeah. But I want to modify this. So I want to take this and then flip it by 180. So do I have to add another line, which is then self dot rotate equals self dot rotate minus 180? Callable and float. Like that? Let's give it a go. Nope, not quite. Very close, but not quite. Okay, it works for some directions. But not all directions. Which is quite odd. Look at position. Radiance. Can you make it stare the direction it's looking to? Yes. I think oh, you're right. You're right. But you know what? Let me just test out my code first. I just want to see if I can just do it like that. Okay, I think my code works as well. Just manually rotating it 180. But your solution might just be more elegant. Let's take a look at this. You know what? It's more than just no issue. It's Nope. Not working. Oh wait, you know why? I know the issue why. Because what happens here is that this is a, how do I describe this? So I'm just gonna use this to describe, right? Basically the fish, okay, on the scale of all of these, this entire backdrop, where it's looking at, for example, if it's looking straight, like right towards the right, then the vector is just, you know, a rightwards vector of like maybe x is 10 and y is 0. But when it is not in a 0, 0 position, if it's like elsewhere, it doesn't apply as accurately, because then if you wanted to move, oh man, I don't know how to describe it, but I think the easiest way to think about it is the position of itself matters. When you're looking at a, yes, that's right, local position and global position, that's the term we're looking for. So yeah. Okay, so where were we? What was I doing just now? here. So I think I'll just have it. Okay, I've got a bunch of code that I don't really need anymore. Oh. Oh wow, I can just change between scripts like that. Okay, didn't know that, but sure. Okay, the fish are rotating appropriately now as well. You know, this was like a side thing that I actually didn't want to touch, but I ended up touching it because I'm stupid like that. I should actually be working on this. But no, the fact is, since now that I've managed to do this on I converted the fish into a fish 2D, as in it's using an area instead of a rigid body, I can actually use the on enter thingy now, you know. Yes, on enter all of these. So I can swap all of this out into having all this being hosted on the fish itself rather than hosted on the... Or would it be better if I hosted this on the coral, because the coral is the one with the HP? Huh. If I host it on the coral, then the coral receives the body in. When it's there for 1 second, lose 1 HP. I don't have to let the fish do the talking where the fish tells the coral, look, I've been here for 1 second, and then the fish tells the coral, you lose 1 HP. By having the coral do the detection on its own, it's faster, isn't it? Not just faster, it's just cleaner. Yeah, I can just keep it on the coral. Gosh, I just wasted my time. Fuck me. But you know what, I think that's fine. at least I learned some stuff. Okay, so disconnect this, disconnect this. On area entered, I'm gonna cut this over, paste this over, pass this for now. Although I think I don't even need this anymore. If area is in group fish, timer start. If area escaping, area dot velocity equals to 0. Okay, there we go. So on exit, which I don't need this anymore, I just need Ethan timer stop. Coral on area exit. There we go. So now, Ethan timer, I'm going to change this to 1 second. It's not going to auto start. My question is then, on area entered exit, ready replacing body renamed. Start. on timeout. Oh wait, I need 2 timers, I think. Yeah, I need 2 timers. Timer. I'm gonna call this the norm timer for the nom noms. So I'm gonna start the norm timer. Right. So then on the norm timer timeout, right? Let me just bring this. Wait, this can stay here. The enter exit can stay here. Timeouts can go below. So on enter it starts norming, and on norming, norm timer is going to last 1 second. No auto start. It's not. If timer will stop when reaching 0, if false it will restart. I can keep it restarting. Wait, hold on. If false it will restart. Okay, no, then yes, restart. So on non-timer timeout, HP -1. There we go. Function ready, set HP. No, I don't have to set HP now. I can set HP when it's being spawned in. Spawn fish. Spawn coral. I think I like to put this down at the last. So coral dot HP equals coral set HP. Set up? No, set HP. I don't need this. No. Why? They're all gonna start with 3 HP anyways. And the growth stage is all gonna start at 1. You know what? Then yes, I need to set HP. So yeah, fine, set HP. Function set HP sets the HP. Okay, so HP equals to this. HP -1. On timer timeout, it will keep norming. HP -1. Hold on, before. Huh. Should I do an if check here? If HP greater than 0, HP -1. Oh no, if HP not equals 0 rather. Nah, let's use greater than in case of some bug. It's greater than 0, HP -1. No, rather, I need to make the case where if it equals 0, then it becomes the eaten, right? Then I go with the eaten function. There's a eat function, right? Do I not have the function? Where's my eaten function? Oh. Oh, it's on timeout. No, but it's not a. Why did I make a new timer anyways? I'm clearly not thinking my approach appropriately. You know what? I don't even need this norm timer, but I'll keep it because it sounds cute. So I will delete the eaten timer eventually. So what's gonna happen is that I'm gonna replace this here. If HP reaches 0, basically it has been eaten. Coral eaten. Else HP -1. There we go. So I'm gonna remove this. Change this to this. And this disconnect and delete. I hope I do not have any other instances of using the eaten timer. Okay, no I don't. That's fine. Okay, be right back. I need some water. Alright, back. And I do realize one thing. I don't have the chat on this screen, I just realized. Wow. I'm gonna need a better chat because this is horrible. You know what? We don't need chat. Chat can see chat. Only I need to see chat. Okay, you know what? Back to this. On error exited, norm timer stop. On error entered, if it's in group fish, start, and then error velocity equals 0 on timeout. I do also need to get the fish to retarget. So Fish, find target, da 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 da. Add fish, fish count, fish spawn location, fish position. Determine what they're looking at, okay. Setting their move. Find target. Your night and day already from the first. Right, thank you. Yep, that's something I'm still gonna try, but there's just so many things I want to fix first. But I think I can only tackle that tomorrow, I guess. It's getting quite late for me here as well. Whew, just need to figure out a way to get the fish to retarget. If I can convert some of these into like a proper function, then that's not a bad idea. How should I do this? If I get it to refine a target. So it's found its target, now needs to move. Fish target equals position, that's a variable. Fish target equals to this vector 2 that I've determined from this. Now you'll look at it. Let me just hide some of this stuff, I guess. Sort of. The only problem is, oh wait, this is all on main. Oh. I can actually house all of this in a new function on its own, can I? Func. Move to target. So I should be able to cut and paste this in. Oh wait, but I'm gonna need to... I'm gonna need to pass through all of this stuff again. Unless I use... Unless I use this to interact with the fish itself directly. And the fish has some... Target ID is all over here. No, target ID is its own. All of this... I should actually put this all inside the fish. That makes more sense that way. So I do have a connection to main here. No, I do not. Let me just use the newer thing so it's less confusing. So main dot. Okay, so comment out this. If I can spawn location. Yeah, I just need to house this into like, say like an example fish dot move to target. Yes, that'll be great. Then I just need to copy this first, comment to this, paste this down. Say if I bring all of this over to fish 2, right? I don't need the Find target object array. Find target main dot object array. Wait, fish target. Can I just use target? But no. Find target, fish target. So I need to define fish target, I guess. Yes, I need to define fish target here. Which I should copy it over. Look at fish target rotation, variable diff. So the function move to target would use find target and check rotation. Okay. And then basically when you spawn, you add child. Spawn location, move to target. Yep. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, it works. Okay, Coral's dead. Now, will they retarget? Right, I have not put that into the code yet, so... But at least the original stuff is working. And at this point, I need to also... excuse me. That sneeze. How do I pass this function, this variable over? Can I check collision? If... We're at this point. Bum bum. Main. Oh, I should just call everything here properly, huh? I feel like that is cleaner. The only issue is that I can't do that for fish because fish doesn't come in yet. Predator. Yeah, I can use a predator here. Predator. Predator is in the area. Predator equals area. Yeah. So if predator is not escaping, predator okay. So predator dot move to target. Huh. Not found. Can it start though? Nope. Okay, let's see if I comment this out first. Does it still work? Okay, it kinda still works. 1000, 2000, 3000. Okay, it's gone. So the fact that it stops moving works. What if I... No, that doesn't work. Do I have to send this signal over to... I do have to send the signal over to the fish, huh? You know what? I can do it on the fish side itself directly. So for the fish themselves, if on area exited, if they are not in escape, and no, basically if they're not in escape, move to target. Wait, there's no escape here? Oh, escaping. Let's see. So I'm just gonna need like maybe 2 fish or something, 1 fish or something like that. Oh. We got a crash here. Fine. Oh, that's... Right, if there's nothing, what happens? Okay, I see what happens now. Coral. I don't have a way to tell coral ray size based on this, so once again gotta transfer variables over. I don't know, I put an if statement here to check if the coral ray size is greater than 0. Find target. What's the target? I think I need to do a find it on the find target here. So if coral array size is not equals 0, you can do your target ID, target position, and else okay, let me just think of what to write here. Right, it needs a vector 2, else you know what? I'm just gonna give you a random. Can I just random vector? Else target position dot x equals random f range from 0. Wait, I can use the screen size, right? Which is like screen size. Yeah, I think that works. Dot x 0 to screen size dot x. That works, does it? Wait, what was the viewport rect size? Oh. Do I have player called in here? Yes, I have player called in here, so player.screen_size X. Okay, and same thing for the Y. I'm just gonna send it to a random position. So now the next thing is, once it reaches this target position, what happens? Do I just get it to find target again? Move to target. Find target, check rotation. Is there such a thing called repeat? Or just move to target again? Let's see. Oh. Infinite recursion. Well, kinda yes, I see that happening. Yeah, so I can't do that. I need to wait for it to complete this, then I can move the target, so... How do I tell it to find target again? You know what, let me just send it to the player and the player would send it away. Yeah, why not? That's just a simple solution that... Why not? So once it's done eating, it will head towards the player and then you'll get automatically chased away. Right? Yeah. They'll keep coming to harass the player basically. But since there's no corals, they won't come around anymore. Wait, they should still come around. Unless... Is it on timers? Velocity, find target array. Am I even using this anymore? Right. If coral count is you know what, that's fine. Is fish count as smaller than coral count? Spawn fish. But if there's 0 corals, do I want them to spawn even though there's no corals? There's no point because there's no life. You know what? That's fine. That's absolutely fine. And I think, yep, I think I'm definitely very happy with what I've managed to achieve. Wait, before that, let me just check on the player collision shape. I think I can definitely increase the collision shape a little bit. Whoa. Is capsule the right way for this? Oh yeah, I can also transform it. So let's just rotate it by 90 and just shift it a little bit. Yeah, this looks okay. Coral wise, I've not actually checked it out. Looks good. Okay, I think I'm in a good place. Just gonna merge my commits. Oh, before that, let me do some code cleanup. I'm very annoyed by this code where I was using on area shape entered instead of actually just area entered. So let me just this should go in here. Area entered. Yes. And let me shape area entered, remove this. On exit, Delete this. There we go. That's a little bit cleaner now. The function parameter has the same name as the built-in type. Well, it's supposed to be, right? Unless I can call this object ID and I can call this oh. Okay, I cannot. Give us a name on its own. Okay, I don't get it. Why is it giving me issues yet it's essential? Local variable distance is shadowing an already declared variable at line 8. Right. So I don't need this variable here, do I? This is on fish. This variable will keep changing anyways, so I don't need this. It's the only time I'm using this distance, am I right? Pretty much so. Yeah, so I can remove this. Unreachable code statement, return function find target. Huh. Don't get it? If, let's just to be safe, if area equals how do I check the body again? It's in group. Yeah, if area is in group. Oh gosh, it's so hard to remember this. Just in case they come into contact with each other, for example. Area is in group fish. The parameter area reasonably is the function. Alright, I changed that already. Yep. Okay, let's try restarting this. Cleaned up the code a lot more. Debugger still has some errors. Okay, that's fine. These are just small errors, so unreachable code statement after return in function find target. It's okay, I don't think I need this anymore, cause I know it's working. Player. Yeah, that's fine. I think I can leave this as is. Huh. Wait, that function is no longer on main, it's on the fish. Yep, so that's fine. I can't use this anymore. It's date code. But I definitely want the main to be able to return me some stuff as well. Like now you know what? I think I'm fine. I don't need this. I am good. Chase the fish away. Nope, nope, nope. Stop, stop. Go away, go away, go away from my corals. Okay, we've got 4 corals now. Okay, it works. I can play 1 round. So plenty of changes overall. Cleaned up a lot of stuff as well. Whew. Okay. Alright, time to just double check all the stuff that I have coded. Wait, did I remove so much things from the... Oh. Let me just refresh this. Okay, here we go. Fish AI upgrade. Fish should no longer swim upside down. Increase player collision to match sprite. What else did I do? Major fish will re-target if there are after eating coral. If no more coral, will swim to player. What else did I do? Oh yeah, mostly it's a lot of the detection and the self-awareness of the fish. Oh yes, cleaned up. Big thing, holy shit. Fish AI upgrade plus overhaul. Use fish tool now. Okay, I think that's good enough. Cleaned up some code. Fish spawning fish targeting logic moved to fish2.tcsn. Coral still holds the most of the detection related logic. For coral fish interaction. Okay, let me push that. And I think we're good. Okie dokie. I will actually try and do what I want to do tomorrow, which is to, you know, add in the day-night cycle and whatnot, because oh wait, okay, you know what, I did one thing, right, which is I gave corals HP. Right, they just don't have the bar yet. I need to display HP bar. And then I did deal with the timers, which is one of my goals. The last thing is the day-night cycle, which I'll tackle the next time. So display HP bar and day-night cycle. After which I can start going into the coral growth. Alright, that is it for tonight. Thank you all so much for hanging around. And I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.